pack number 4. Is it? Where there's 4, there's more. That's right, we got 1 pack to go after this. So, this is the penultimate pack, if you know what I mean. And I'm smelling something good. Code card. Okay, that was a little quick, but somebody probably got it. Bam! Fire! Lotad? Not a Lotad. A Seal. I haven't seen those cards in a long time. Pamat. Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff, I'm sorry. Jigglypuff is cool. Sweet. Haunter. Nice. That's the before Gengar, right? Neat. Oh, a reverse hollow not Pamont, Pommy. Oh, cool. And a Grimsney's move. We have the full art of this already, so that's cool. And the last card, it's another Toxtricity. That seems to be a very common card in this set. Nothing good there, but we got one more pack to go.